So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, please you are new and you not yet subscribed, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you will not miss out on any updates. We'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on gold. So gold is now kind of giving us like this issue which an uptrend. Although overall trend, the full bigger trend on gold is on a downtrend move, right? There's no doubt that the full bigger picture, if you have to look actually on a downtrend move. But since we want to predict what market will be doing for the day, we need to take a look at the current trend. What market is doing currently? First, market was trending to the downside, right? This is it. It was trending to the downside. Guess what market did? Market eventually gave us a reversal pattern, which is a double bottom. You know what a double bottom is? It means it has now reversed from a downtrend to now an uptrend move. So this is to tell you that gold is now in an uptrend move. That is one. Secondly, market has now given us a breakout. It has break above our 10-period simple moving average. That is also an indication that market is now trending to the upside. So market is now trading above our 10-period simple moving average. Right? That is two. Now, if you have to go down to your forward time frame, you will see that market is literally rallying up. So let's start from here for quick analysis. If this is seen as our high, there is the higher low. This can also be seen as the higher high. Here comes the higher low. This is also higher high. Here comes the higher low right here. Markets push up again to form a new higher high. Now this is the higher low right here. So this is an higher low that market is currently playing. So once market play an higher low finish, and another portion that will form a new higher high is what we'll be expecting. So above all, a bullish move for the day is what we'll be expecting on our gold. More updates on this will be covered for you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the